So you landed on this video because you heard 7K males was on the Better Business Bureau and you wanted to know how they rate. And I'm going to let you know. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan, Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, currently silver in this company, and did it in record time. The second to do it the fastest in the company's history, in all for 5-6 years been in existence. So happy about that. And what I wanted to go over today was basically the Better Business Bureau and the rating that we have on the Better Business Bureau, because I mean, this is not no small feat, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and really dive into what we're talking about here, what we have. All right. So right now in the Better Business Bureau, we already know that this is how we can rate companies to see just how reputable they are, see if they got good reviews, bad reviews, see how they mesh in the field. I mean, what better place to go check the credibility of a company than the BBB? So we're going to do that right now. We're going to type in 7K metals. Take this off of USA. And let's do it like that. No thanks. So right here we got show me all businesses accredited. Let's go with accredited only. There we go right there. Let's go and hit that, and voila. Now this is what I find phenomenal. When you come here, what do you see? You see a perfect rating, 5-star rating, 4.56 out of 36 customer reviews. I mean, that is huge. That is huge, because you can see right here that the business has been in business for 4 years, and it's actually this is the 5th year, and you see 36 customer reviews. But the part that I really want you to pay attention to, the part I really want you to focus on and really see why this is such a big deal, is this part right here. Customer complaints, 0. I mean, look, please show me any company that doesn't have at least one bad review, one disgruntled employee, person, customer that, one troll, just one troll that's just hating. Just say, you know what, I just don't like the company. The company might not have did anything. And then in our world, let's be honest, in network marketing, MLM, you're always going to get that person that never made a dime and upset and bitter, okay, and ready to, throw all kinds of dirt on the company and all kinds of, this is bad, or it didn't work for me, or only 5% make money in network marketing. Stay away. So to have a perfect rating on a Better Business Bureau, okay, after being in business for over 4 years and not have one bad complaint, says it all. I mean, it really does. Let's just go see what some of the people are saying right here. Let's go read the reviews and just go see. So, look. Fantastic company with an opportunity to collect rare silver and gold coins and earn extra money at the same time. Okay, absolutely amazing company. The opportunity to invest in your own future with this company is unbelievable. You can make money with gold and silver. Let's get into some of the longer ones so we can really see how people really feel. It's like life. If you hustle a little bit with this company, you can get paid. If you're lazy, enjoying, and don't do any work, it will cost you a little money every month. Not a lot. After your fee, you get a rated coin worth $31, and in 5 to 10 years, could be worth a couple of $100. You can make up to $12,000 a week, I believe. True. It can cost you around $70 a month if you don't get any people to join. Yes, it's MLM marketing, and you're getting someone. No, it's MLM marketing, and you're getting someone rich. If you get yourself rich at the same time, but at the very least, you should be able to get a couple people after a while, and they can get a few people to sign up, and you're at least making enough money for your fee coin every month. If you go hard and hustle with this company, you could become a millionaire at home. Most honest review I could have read. You know what I mean? Like, that's the kind of review you want. Even that lets you know that these are real reviews. Like, he didn't just go, oh, it's so great, it's awesome, you're gonna make $1 million out the gate. Oh no, he gave you the good, the bad, and the ugly, and it wasn't even so ugly, right? So he gave you an honest review. He told you, hey, look, you know, if you're not going to do much, then it's going to cost you much. If you do something, then you get something. But if you do a lot, then you can reap the rewards at a large scale. Okay? Makes sense? Like, I really hope that makes sense. So just look at all these reviews. And you can, the thing that's impressive is that some of these aren't just like quick reviews. These are people took the time out to really, really write some. Like, look at this one. Look at Jeff right here. That's a long review right there. He done wrote a whole paragraph of a page of a. This is like a novel right here, right? Like, man, he really took the time out. But you know what that tells me? That tells me that people are really satisfied. So as you can see, this is the company to be. You know what I mean? Like, it gets no better. You're putting away precious metals, collecting gold and silver, which all of us should be doing anyways, right? Because as our fake money, fiat currency, is diving and falling and losing value, precious metals, you know, real money, God's money, is actually going up. Right, and has been since you've been here, right? Since you've been born, you've always seen it going up. So this is the way to secure your financial future and be able to reinvest in precious metals, and then be able to leave something down, you know, a legacy or something that people can actually use that's going to benefit them in the long run, you know, later on down the line. And this is something I would leave to my kids, my grandkids, you know, people in the family, versus leaving a bunch of money that's going to be worth nothing. Not saying it's not worth anything, but it's not worth what it used to be. Like, basically, the dollar has been, with all the print money and bailouts and things like that, you don't have the same purchasing power that you've had, you know, 10, 20, 30, 40 years ago. Okay, you used to be able to buy a gallon of milk for $1.35. Now it's costing you over $3. You see, that's inflation, and that comes from, you know, the dollar not being as worth as much as it used to, and not having as much purchasing power. So, again, I hope you know, this was a great review for you and put things in perspective and let you see that the company is actually thriving and in a great space and has a 5-star rating. So if you're ready to get started with 7K metals, you want to see more what it's about, then hit the link below, godsmoney.co, and get the full understanding of what this company has to offer. If you got questions, yeah, you know I got answers. Call me, 619-306-9453. I'd love to answer any questions you have. All right. Thank you for being with me today. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos. I appreciate you. See you on the next one. Have a blessed day.